Alright, so this is a simple solution how to take out some water from a swimming pool at the bottom. So right now, as you can see, I have just a little bit more water left. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. And the way I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put the pump in there. It's probably like about 3 inches deep. So we're gonna go ahead and take the water out. And we're gonna tie in a hose here. This is for the extension cord, if you can see it. And the water is retained in the bottom, so it sucks in through here, to these areas right here. You can see it sucks in all the water in here. Minimum start level right here, right? So you need to be above this line in order to suck the water out. So let's go ahead and start. All right, so it started automatically. You can see the water is sucking in all the water, and it's taken to a water hose. Not that much water. I cleaned up a little bit of the Alright, so I'm taking all the water out from this angle. I can see it. It's sucking all the water in. I need to make sure it retains all the water out. If you can see, the power cord is there, and you have to have the power cord above it, of course. Tie in a hose, and it just starts sucking up the water automatically. It is leaking a little bit in the top, but then you could, if you see it, it's leaking just a little bit there. You could tie that down. Even put some plumber's tape too, if you want to. It's up to you, your choice. But so far, I gotta see the result, how much water is taking out. All right, it's pumping really hard. I like it. You know, it's gonna take a lot of gallons out of it right now. So it's super fast compared to what it was earlier. If you can see it, the running, floating of the water. It's just really awesome how it's taking. It's gonna take everything out in less than an hour. I mean, I didn't have that much water, but this is a great option. I like it. I like it all around. This is pretty cool. So I'm gonna continue on, and the water hose is around 75 feet. The water hose, I'm sorry, it's close to 100. It's 75 feet, so really long. It took a minute to get all the way over here, but it's jamming. It's doing its job.